friends, welcome back. How are you doing all this while? So, are you ready for an amazing, outstanding business opportunity? So, friends, today we have an amazing opportunity for you guys, which is Tron Exceline. You can visit the official site, which is www.tronexceline.io. Friends, moving forward on the company's detail, I would like to throw the light on the following bulletin points. The company is purely blockchain based. It totally runs on decentralized system. It is an 100% distribution plan. All transactions are verified from Tron blockchain. It contains the transparency. Tron Exceline is fully autonomous so that no one can hack it. The company never collects your personal information. Company believes it's your company and your business. They have just provided you a platform. Now it's up to you how to perform. There are thousands of plans running in the market, but why should you choose Tron Exceline? So friends, I would like to tell you few of the golden points of the company. Here the system follows three metrics. Here all the entries are placed in sequential manner. The plan has 5-level structure. It is completely community-based system for people, by the people. The company provides you all the liberties. So friends, let's move on to smart contract. What actually smart contract is? A smart contract is a self-executing, self-enforcing protocols which is governed by its terms and conditions. Using this technology, you can run your business with 100% transparency. Blockchain technology. It is a smart contract which is impossible to hack, and you get the expert support which helps you to grow more. You can start here by only 109 Tron. Yes friends, you heard me right, only 109 Trons. That's it. You can start your business here. There are 5 different types of interesting incomes. First, referral income. Second, auto pool income. Third, level income. Fourth, club bonus income. Fifth income is auto regenerate income. Come on friends, let's move forward to referral income. You get 92% of income as referral income. You will get 100 Trons from every referral. Moving forward to auto pool income, you can just enter in auto pool via 200 Trons. 200 Trons are divided in two parts, A1 and L1. A1 is non-working income and L1 is working income. System works in very good combination of A1 and L1, which is working and non-working income. 200 Tron is divided in such a way that it gives you maximum profit out of it. As I told you, A1 is non-working income. Here, the table goes like, in first level globally you will get 3 members which will be placed under you and will give you 50 TRX. In second level you will get 9 members in your team globally, which makes your profit as 100 Trons. In third level you get 27 people within you and you earn here 200 Trons. In fourth level you will get 81 members automatically. Here you earn 1200 Trons, where 800 Trons will be deducted for re-entry of your ID and you will be left with 400 Trons. In fifth level you will get 243 people who will work with you and you earn here is 2400, from which 1600 will be deducted and company will give you direct 8 auto IDs whose direct income will be credited in your wallet. Here you totally earn 800 Trons and 50 into 8 auto IDs you get 400 Trons. So total Tron you earn here is 1950 Trons. In L1 working income, in first level there will be incentive of 50 Trons. In second to fifth level there will be the incentive of 8 Trons, and in 6 to 12 there will be total incentive of 4 Trons. After you earn 200 Trons from auto pool income, next 200 Trons will be deducted for ID regeneration. Second package comes for 800 Trons, which is bifurcated as A2 and L2. Here in first level you get people 3 people automatically, where you earn 200 Trons. In second level, you get 9 people automatically, globally, and here you earn 400 Trons. In third level, you get 27 people automatically, globally. In third level, you'll get 27 people automatically, and you earn 800 Trons via it. In fourth level, you'll get 81 members automatically, and you earn 48 Trons, from which 3200 Trons are being deducted and your ID is being upgraded. Remaining 1600 Trons are your profit. In fifth level, you get 243 people within your ID and you earn 9600 Trons. Here, 6400 Trons will be deducted for regeneration and you are left with 3200 Trons. Here, company will give you 32 IDs with your direct, which will give you direct income as well as auto pool income too, which will be of 1600 Trons. Total income you earn here is 7800 Trons. In L2 working income, in first level you earn 200 as an incentive. From second level to sixth level you earn 32 as an incentive. In 6th to 12th level you earn 16 Trons as an incentive. Similarly goes with 32 Trons, which is your next package. Here total income in non-working you earn is 31,200. In fourth package of 12,800 Trons, total income you earn is 1,24,600 Trons. In fifth package, which is of 51,200 Trons, the total income you earn here is 5,50,000 Trons approximately. Come on friends, let's move on to club bonus income. Club bonus income is 10%, which is divided as direct A1. If you get 5 direct, CTO will be 1.5% and bonus will be of 2000 Trons. Or in second, if you get 10 direct members, you will get 3% of CTO with the bonus of 4000 Trons. And if you get 20 members, then you will get the CTO of 5.5%, which gives you the bonus of 10,000 Trons. There is a highlighted note which states the club bonus will be distributed from all Tron Exoline to all clubs turnover 10%. Auto regenerate income. Auto regenerate income will be till 1 to 12th level, where incentives are being bifurcated in such a manner which will benefit you all. The company says these are just small calculations, but this plan, if you start today, will fulfill your dreams and will help to brighten your future. You can join here with the following wallets. First is Galva, second Token Pocket, third TronLink Pro. Thank you for watching. For more details, you can contact on the number given below. And again, welcome to Tron Exoline.